Nova MW6 is a configuration-free, whole-home Wi-Fi coverage solution designed for households and apartments with areas of up to 6,000 square foot. In such spacious areas, traditional routers often have Wi-Fi dead zones or an unstable signal, even when using Wi-Fi range extenders to reach places like balconies, basements, and backyards. Users often experience lag when streaming online 4K videos, and video calls with friends are often dropped and are frequently interrupted. Nova MW6 provides you with a next-generation networking solution to solve all your Wi-Fi problems. Powered by mesh technology, Nova MW6 consists of 3 Wi-Fi nodes, each of which may function as a router or an extender. Nova MW6 features automatic networking. After you connect the first node to a modem, the system sets it as the primary node. Then, as soon as the other nodes are powered on, they automatically connect to the primary node to set up your Wi-Fi network. Nova MW6 outperforms the traditional Wi-Fi solution in coverage. To extend the network of a traditional router, it is inconvenient to manually scan for your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. With Nova MW6 supporting automatic networking, you can enjoy an effortless network setup experience. Most traditional network bridges are set up over the 2.4 GHz band that can suffer from strong interference, making you struggle with high instability, heavy transmission loss, and low efficiency. Nova MW6 can set up network bridges over the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and opts for the 5 GHz band, which ensures faster transmission. These network bridges work stably and efficiently and cause much less transmission loss, offering a swift wireless internet experience anytime. A traditional bridged network is unable to automatically recover after experiencing a node disconnection. That won't be an issue with Nova MW6, as it automatically detects and maintains bridge links. As soon as the node is disconnected, it automatically reconnects to an available node to keep you online. During client handover, you may encounter service interruption among the nodes of a traditional bridged network. Nova MW6 ensures seamless handover, bringing you a lag-free audio-video call experience on the move. With robust signals and a configuration-free design on Nova MW6, whole home Wi-Fi coverage for large apartments and houses has never been so easy.